Hi everybody and welcome to another video. Today we will be unlocking a phone. I'm gonna show you how to unlock any smartphone, whether it's a Samsung, Motorola, iPhone, any brand. I will show you step by step how to get your phone unlocked. I will be using a Samsung Galaxy, but feel free to follow along with whichever model you have. This will unlock your phone to use it with any SIM card in any country from any service provider. I'll show you the best and the easiest way to remotely unlock your device, meaning that everything is done over the air, no cables and no software required. Let's begin. Step 1. We need to get the phone's IMEI number. We will get it by dialing *#06#. As you will see, the IMEI number will show up in the screen. This is a 15-digit number. This number can also be found in the box and in the settings of your device. Step 2. Alright, so the next step is to go to the internet. Here we will unlock the phone. We have to fill in the form, the brand of your phone. So this will work for any other brand as well. Then you're gonna write down your IMEI number. That's the number we got at the beginning of the video, so just make sure you write it down correctly. Then you have to type the email where you want to receive your code or the notification that your phone has been unlocked. So just make sure you write it down correctly. It's very important, otherwise you won't get your unlock code. So just make sure it is 100% correct. Alright, so now you have to wait until you get your unlock code. This will take a couple of days, as I said before, so you have to be very patient. But for this example, I'm gonna show you how the email I got looks. And as you can see here, I got this message and it confirms that the phone has been unlocked. So I'm just gonna open it. So as you can see here, it says that everything went successful and now we have instructions on how to activate the unlock. In some cases, you're gonna have an unlock code. In other cases, you simply will get a confirmation that your phone has been remotely unlocked. Either way, I'm gonna show you how to do the unlock or how to activate the unlock. I'm gonna switch back cameras. Step 3. After receiving the notification that your phone has been unlocked, we're going to power off the device and you will need to remove the SIM card tray and insert a non-supported SIM card. In other words, a SIM card that is different from the original carrier. Once you have inserted a SIM card power on your device, it will take a few seconds to recognize the new device and a message will pop up requesting the unlock code. If you receive an unlock code in your email, this is the time to enter it and press unlock. You will get a success message indicating that your phone has now been unlocked. Perfect, now you can use your phone with any carrier anywhere in the world. If you did not receive an unlock code in your email, but you only received the instructions and the confirmation that your phone was unlocked, what you have to do is simply restart your phone, connect it to Wi-Fi, and the unlock will be instantly activated. For some US carriers like T-Mobile, you will need to launch the Device Unlock app, which is an app that is already pre-installed in your device. Simply open the app and click Activate the Unlock by pressing Unlock, and your phone should remain permanently unlocked. Your phone is now unlocked and ready to be used with any network. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.